To set a timer on your Huawei Band 11 Pro, you need to begin by opening up the menu. Once you're in the main menu, you're going to scroll through the different options until you find the timer icon. Go ahead and tap on it like so. From here, you can now choose your time period that you want to use. So you have 1 second until 30 seconds. You can also choose to set 1 minute or 2 minutes depending on your choices. If you don't like any of the preset timers, you can always choose to tap on custom, like so, and then create your own custom timer. Whether you want to set it a whole day or just a couple of minutes or even a couple of seconds, it is completely up to you to decide what you want. When you're ready, tap on start, and as you can see, the timer is now functioning on your Huawei Band 11 Pro. You can choose to reset it by tapping on this icon, or you can choose to pause it by tapping on that icon, and then you can resume. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.